Hi guys, I know we're in the holiday season and I want to share with you a tip on a natural flu and COVID-19 remedy. You know, we're probably staying up a little bit later than we want to, probably not eating as well as we should. We're not completely deserting the desserts. We're forgetting about avoiding the big hand syndrome, eating too much. So, our immune system could be a little bit compromised and we might get a little bit of that tickle in the throat, a little sniffle. So I wanted to share with you a very, very powerful flu and COVID-19 remedy. So if you start to feel that tickle, you can use this as a preventive. So if you don't have anything, but you know that you're going to have a really tough few days coming up, or you're starting to get that little scratchy thing, let me give you the recipe for this remedy, and you can take it to either prevent or to stop any kind of respiratory issue right in its tracks. And basically, all you need is the main ingredient is onion. So you want a half to a whole onion, just chop it up. You want to put a little bit of honey in there for flavor, maybe 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. And you can put it in pineapple juice. Another important part of this is juice, the fresh juice of 2 to 3 lemons. And that's basically it. The lemon juice, the onions, the garlic, a little bit of honey, maybe some pineapple juice. You can add a pinch of cayenne pepper, and that will improve the circulation. It'll get it through to your system. It'll enhance the immune system and the whole respiratory complex. It's a very, very powerful bioavailable source of vitamin C and a powerful immune booster. And it will stop COVID, flu right in its tracks. And so how much do you take? You can take anywhere from a teaspoon to a tablespoon. You can take it every half an hour, every hour. So based on your size, your weight, your age, and based on how vulnerable you are, you can take as much as you want. It won't hurt you. And then in addition to that, you might want to add a little veggie broth. Onion soup is a very, very powerful bioavailable source of vitamin C. So enjoy the holiday season. But if you're starting to feel that, you want to be as healthy and as vibrant as possible during the season. So I want to share this very, very powerful remedy with you. And in addition to that, now let's say you're on the road and you don't have time and you don't have your little jar of this remedy. You get a little, maybe an ounce, 2 ounce amount of oregano oil. And you can just put a few drops of that under your tongue throughout the day, every hour or so, until you can get home and get your full remedy. And a very, very powerful immune enhancer also is get yourself some Echinacea Golden Seal. It's a very, very powerful antimicrobial. I prefer the tincture because it's faster acting and it's more powerful. And you don't have to have the esophagus of a kung fu warrior to be swallowing a whole bunch of capsules. So hopefully this is a helpful remedy for you as you're proceeding in this holiday season. So enjoy the season, stay healthy and happy. Bye for now, and God bless.